Okay, so she's my granny. I grew up with her, so it's a very important person for me. And she used to say something all the time, is, Celi, todo el mundo es necesario, pero nadie imprescindible. But today, I'm here to tell you that there is ways to make you indispensable in the AI area. But I applied for a job in a consultancy company for a multilingual call center. And they called me, the HR called me and they said, oh, we want to hire you, but not for the call center job, but for IT. And I said, IT? I mean, I'm good at computers, but I don't have any technical background. They say, yeah, we understand, but we saw you in the interviews and we appreciate your human skills. So we'd rather hire you and teach you what you need to know about IT, rather than hiring an IT person and teaching your human skills. And I don't like the word soft, because I don't think there's anything soft on them. On the opposite, I think nowadays they're stronger than ever. And if I want to leave this room today with a key message for you, is to empower you to use your human skills. But surfing for me is not just one sport. For me, it's a methodology, and it's teaching me a lot of things, not just on real, but professional life. So it teaches you to be patient until you wait for the perfect way, the power to just paddle out to make the most out of the moment, and of course to adaptability, because sometimes the ocean, it can be unpredictable, just as life. So if you want to communicate well, not just use words, use your body language and understand your audience.
When someone's kind of in a deep hole and they shout out from the bottom and they say, I'm stuck, it's dark, I'm overwhelmed. And then we look and we say, hey, climb down. I know what it's like down here. And you're not alone. Sympathy is, ooh, it's bad, no. You want a sandwich?
I'm caring too much for the others that I was forgetting to have empathy with myself, you know? And for me, sometimes, we already had this conversation in the last.
Yes,
sometimes it's hard to say, okay, I'm here, I'm present for everybody, I'm trying to understand their problems, I'm trying to be the best for the others, but when or how someone will be there for me as well, you know?
Yeah, but if I may say that, to complement to that, my opinion, humble opinion, is that you need to be good to yourself first. And that way you can be better with the people. So in the same way that you put all the effort to help other people, do that with you first. And I can guarantee you will be better with the others. If you're curious about something, you start digging out to understand and to investigate how you can improve, how you can make something better. So for me, creativity and the ability to learn, it's also one of the key human skills that we should use and will make us indispensable. Dynamic. I mean, you've been collaborating with me, so that I appreciate that. It's not just me talking. So we want to do a quick dynamic that it's called Show Me Your Skills.
Hi everyone, my name is Carlos. I chose stand up.
Everyone did.
Okay, so I chose curiosity because I think it's my biggest trait, but also because I think everything starts with curiosity. I think curiosity is the mark of an advanced intelligence. Not only human, you see this in animals that are curious, and I think you need to be curious to learn. I don't believe you can be taught of something, but you can learn everything.
Yeah.
So
Well
I think
said.
curiosity is the root of most of those characteristics.
And I have to say that since then, my career kind of exploded. Because I think it's super important, personal branding, not just for people that are entrepreneurs. Even if you're an employee, you need to have your personal brand if you want to grow inside the company. 4 things. First, you need to know what you like, what you want to do. I love surfing, for example. What you're good at. I'm not good at surfing, so I can't be a surf instructor. So forget about it. So yeah, first you need to understand what you like, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid of, okay? But just to complement on that, yeah, you don't have to reinvent the wheel if you already have something that is working, but again, going back to your experiences that make you unique, because you may have other project managers that are using the same standard PM methodology, but I'm sure there's less project managers that have been previously engineers, that have worked in many countries, that speak several languages. So you need to pick your experience and what makes you unique to create your personal brand. And I think even you can leverage from other methodologies, but make your own. Which is okay, thank you. So, thanks.